Hi, this is Mehdi Sultanian, Aston Martin Bentley of Washington DC. Today I want to show you this gorgeous 1972 BMW 2002, nicely restored. Lots of documents. It was traded on a Ferrari F12 about 2 weeks ago. We are very pleased and privileged to bring it to you. Do a quick walk around, then I'll go inside and turn on the car. Very nice color. The vehicle is automatic and it has the roundy tail lights. We welcome any pre-purchase inspection. The car is in pristine condition. The local BMW dealerships are BMW Fairfax, BMW Sterling, BMW Rockville. If you have an independent shop you'd like to take it to, we welcome that. It's a very nice example. We've had many of these traded with us, and out of all of them, I can assure you this one is one of the nicer ones. Okay, let's go inside. Show you the inside too. No rips, no tears. All the stickers are on the car, very important. There's no odor in the car. A lot of these have like a gas smell, but this one, very healthy. The headliner is very important on these cars, as you know. No rips, no tears. The back seat, beautiful. All the speakers work, there's no engine light. The car is fully functional. Every single item in the car works. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on for you. Please apologize as I switch hands. As you can see, it starts right away, no issues. The odometer reads 5437. We put the real miles on the auction. The radio works. Gotta get the right channel. Hazard, this is the fog lights on the front. There's a CD player here. The gentleman has paid to have it installed. It's functional. Handbrake. Let me see if I can show you guys the rear. Go, zoom out so you can see. Close the door. Very lovely color. I love this color. These areas are very important to look at. There's usually rust there, but as you can see, the car is in pristine condition. The gentleman has done a nice job. He came in from a local collector here in Vienna, Virginia, McLean. The car was locally stored in Great Falls, Virginia. A lot of these nicer cars there. As I said earlier, it was traded on a Ferrari F12. Let me see if I can show you the engine bay too. If I may do it one-handed, a little bit difficult, but I think we can do it. There we go. Got it. All the stickers, fuse box, nice engine here. Let me go back and on the other side as well. If you have any questions on this car, if you need to come see it in person, we welcome that. Our phone number here is 703-712-8324. It's the VIN number. More stickers. It's very important to have all these stickers, as you already know. Got the engine here. A very pristine example. If we were to rate this car, it would be difficult not to give it a 10, but you know, we'll just go with a 9 to be safe. But it's genuinely a 10 car. Once again, we're in Aston Martin Bentley of Washington DC. My name is Mehdi Sultanian. We also have financing available for this car. We are a franchise Aston Martin Bentley dealership, so if someone does need to finance it, it's actually available. A lot of people think classic cars are cash only type deals, but we have financing, low rates, so we can get that taken care of as well. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy bidding.